please like, share, and subscribe my channel Brilliant JE Aspirants. Today we are going to learn this topic integration, indefinite integration. This is from intermediate second year topic for all states and for CBSE also and ICSE also in 10 plus 2 class integration, indefinite integration that is going on now today. Integration, we can define now integration now. Integration, we can define integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Or in other words, integration is the inverse operation of the differentiation. That is, if the differential of f of x is g of x, then integral of g of x will be f of x. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. That is, if the differential of f of x is g of x, then integral of g of x is will be f of x. So, in other words also, integration is the inverse operation of the differentiation. Integration is the inverse operation of the differentiation. Or integration is the inverse operation of differentiation. Integration is the inverse operation of differentiation. Or integration is the reverse process of differentiation. That is, if the differential of f of x is g of x, then integral of g of x will be f of x. That is, if differentiation of f of x is equal to g of x, then If differentiation of f of x is equal to g of x, then integral of g of x dx is equal to f of x plus c. So here in this, this is the shape of the L. Shape of the L. Actually, alphabetical letter we know that is L. Or shape of the S. This is the alphabetical letter S. Shape of the S. Shape of the S. Like this. Yes, alphabetical letter. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. S. Alphabetical letter S. It can be written as like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. That means here we can prolong this letter like this. We can prolong this S letter like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So this is the here integral sign. Integral sign. That means here the alphabetical letter S, when you can enlarge this, it becomes like this, like this, like this. This sign is integral sign. This sign is integral sign here. This sign is integral sign. And g of x, g of x is the function to be integrated. Function to be integrated. Whatever the function we are given, it has to be integrated. That means here in place of g of x, anything will be there. Anything will be there. Algebra function, trigonometric function, exponential function, logarithmic function, and so on. Rational function, irrational function, anything will be there here, and constants also. So this g of x is the function to be integrated, and this dx is the integration is with respect to x, with respect to x. Why? Because your variable is there. So with respect to x only, with respect to x. That means here differential element of x, differential element of x, differential element of x. This is this dx. In this dx is the integration is with respect to x only, with respect to x. So that means differential element of x, differential element of x. Sometimes you will be given in place of dx, dy is given, dz is given, and so on. So here also it becomes f of x plus c, f of x plus c. So This C is the arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. And this f of x. This f of x is integral of g of x. Integral of g of x. This f of x is integral of g of x. Integral of g of x. Or antiderivative of g of x. Antiderivative of g of x. This f of x is the integral of g of x or antiderivative of the g of x. Of g of x, antiderivative of g of x, antiderivative of g of x, or primitive or primitive. So this f of x is the integral of g of x or antiderivative of g of x or primitive of g of x. Primitive of g of x. Primitive. So primitive of g of x. This f of x is the integral of g of x or antiderivative of g of x or this f of x is the primitive. This f of x is the primitive. So this is the definition of the integration. Integration can be read as whenever the function will be given integral we can known as integral or integrals. Integral or integrals. Indefinite integral. Here indefinite integration or indefinite integral. Indefinite integral. Indefinite integral. Indefinite integration. In this topic, integration topic. So integration, this is the definition of the integration. Just we have defined all this. In this is the main part, that is integration is the inverse operation of differentiation or integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Reverse process of differentiation or integration is the inverse operation of the differentiation. This is the main thing to keep in our mind. So integration is the inverse operation of the differentiation. Suppose if differentiation of f of x is equal to g of x, then integral of g of x dx is equal to f of x plus c. In this symbol is, this sign is integral sign, and g of x is the function to be integrated, the function which is to be integrated, and dx is the integration is with respect to x. Here with respect to x given, sometimes with respect to y given, sometimes with respect to z given. Suppose the function in terms of z will be given with respect to z integrate, in respect of y given in respect of with respect to y we have to integrate like this. So integration is with respect to x. So this is the differential element of x. Sometimes differential element of y in this place, differential element of z. Whenever you will be given like that, here in place of z will be given, here also differential element of z. In place of here also z given, dx dz given, integration is with respect to z only. Here y is also given, it will be differential element of y, or dz dy is given, integration is with respect to y. So like this we have to define this integration, indefinite integration definition, that is integral of g of x dx is equal to f of x plus c. So this symbol is integral sign, this sign is integral sign. G of x function, g of x is function to be integrated, dx is integration is with respect to x, or differential element of x with respect to x. So here this f of x is integration of g of x, or this f of x is antiderivative of g of x, or this f of x is primitive, this f of x is primitive. And c, here c is the arbitrary constant, c is the arbitrary constant, c is the here arbitrary constant. Now we have to learn this definition in term of table, in term of table. Symbols. Terms or phrases. Meaning. The tabular form, this is integral of f of x dx. This meaning, it means integral of f with respect to x, with respect to x, integral of f of x dx. This meaning means integral of f with respect to x only, with respect to x. In this f of x, in integral of f of x dx, This f of x means integrand. F of x is integrand. Earlier we are already learnt, but it is in a tabular formation, tabular form. And in this x, integral of f of x dx, integral of f with respect to x. F of x in this integral of f of x dx is integrand. This f of x is integrand. Now in this x in integral of f of x dx, the x means variable of integration. Variable of integration. Integrate. Now integrate. Integrate means find the integral. An integral of a function, it means meaning a function such that a function f, capital F, such that f dash of x is equal to, that means here d by dx of f is equal to small f of x. An integral of meaning here a function f such that f dash of x is equal to f of x. Here integrate means find the integral. Find the integral. An integral of a function f such that f dash of x is equal to f of x. And integration means the process of finding the integral. The process of finding the integral. Integration means the process of finding the integral. And constant of integration. Last. Constant of integration. Meaning any real number C, considered as constant function. Constant function. This is the tabular form of the integration definition, indefinite integration. In this, symbols are there, terms are there, phrases are there. Symbols, terms, phrases. So the symbols meaning and terms meaning, phrases meaning, all will come, already coming. So this is the tabular form of the definition of this integration or indefinite integration or indefinite integral. This is the tabular form of the integration definition that is going on. Symbols, whatever the symbols are there in this. Terms, whatever the terms are there in this. Phrases, whatever phrases are there in this. This is meaning. For the symbols, terms, phrases, meaning. This is the meaning. All this are meaning. All these are the meaning of this. So integral of f of x dx. In this, integral of f with respect to x, integral of f with respect to x, and this f of x in integral of f of x dx is integrand, and in this f of x, integral of f of x dx, x in integral of f of x dx is the variable of integration, and in this integrate term, integrate means here find the integral, an integral of, press, an integral of a function capital F such that f dash of x is equal to small f of x. An integral of f means a function capital F such that f dash of x is equal to small f of x. Integration means the process of finding the integral. Integration meaning. Now last, constant of integration. Constant of integration meaning is any real number c considered as constant function. So all this is the tabular form of the integration definition.